Hello, friends. Hope you are well wherever you are in the world. Today, we will be discussing the 10 best breeds of chickens for backyard enthusiasts. Before we get into it, though, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It is a huge help to small-time content creators like myself. Also, check out robshop.com for some of my artwork on Etsy. And finally, please support my sponsors by visiting the links in the description below. So whether you're just starting out or looking to add to your current flock, this guide will help you choose the perfect breeds for your needs. Now, this is my list. Others may have different opinions, so let me know in the comments if you disagree or agree or what you think should be a nice addition to this list. Without further ado, let's dive in. So please take note, today I'm speaking about breeds and not the many varieties of those breeds. Within the breeds, there are so many different colors and looks that too many to touch on, but today I'm talking about breeds, so let's get into it. Number one on my list is the Rhode Island Red. And this is a breed of chicken that is known for its hardiness and high egg production. They are considered a dual-purpose breed, meaning they are good for both meat and egg production. They are also really good foragers, which makes them a good choice for backyard flocks where they can roam and scavenge for food. They're known for their calm and docile nature. This makes them easier to handle than some of the other breeds. Rhode Island Reds are also very cold hardy, and they can handle harsh winter climates. I myself have 3 of them in my flock, and they are fantastic birds. I can attest to that. Number 2 is the Leghorn. Now, this is a breed of chicken that is known for its high egg production and low feed consumption. They're also very active and energetic birds, which makes them an excellent choice for those who want to have an energetic backyard flock. Leghorns are generally smaller in size compared to other breeds, and they're known to have a slender and more athletic build. They're also good egg layers, and they produce a large number of eggs, both white and brown. Leghorns are popular with commercial farming due to their high egg production and feed efficiency. They're also well suited for backyard flocks, especially in areas with warm climates because they're very heat tolerant. The Sussex comes in at number 3. Now, the Sussex is a breed of chicken that is known for its friendly nature, making it a great choice for families with children. They come in a variety of colors and patterns, which adds to their appeal for many chicken keepers. Sussex chickens are great layers, and they're hardy birds, and they can handle a wide range of climates. Additionally, they're known to be good foragers, which can help reduce feed costs. Number 4 is the Plymouth Rock. The Plymouth Rock is a breed of chicken that is known to be friendly and docile. They're also great layers, and they're hardy birds that can handle a wide range of climates. Plymouth Rocks are generally larger in size compared to other breeds, and they're known for their distinctive appearance, which includes black and white bars on their feathers. Number 5 is the Orpington. Now, this is a breed of chicken that is known to be friendly and docile, great with children. They're also good layers, and they produce a lot of eggs. They can handle a wide range of climates. Orpingtons are generally larger in size compared to other breeds, and they have a soft, fluffy feathers that make them really popular with many chicken keepers. They are good foragers, which helps reduce the feed costs. The Brahma comes in at number 6. Now, this is a breed known for its large size and gentle temperament. They are a gentle giant for sure. They are good layers. They produce a lot of eggs, and they are really good in a wide range of climates. Brahma chickens are generally quiet and docile. They have soft, fluffy feathers, and they're not as active as some of the other breeds, but because of their size, they do like to have a little bit of space to roam and forage, and most importantly, roost. Number 7 is the Americana. It's a breed of chicken known for its unique blue-green eggs, and they're also known as super friendly, making them a great choice for families. Americanas are active birds that are good foragers, which will help reduce with feed costs, and they're also very cold hardy, making them a great choice for those of us that live in northern areas with harsher winters. Americanas come in a variety of colors, and they have distinctive muffed and bearded faces. They are a great choice for those who are looking for a low maintenance bird for their backyard flock, and you get the added bonus of unique blue-green eggs. Number 8 is Wyandotte. Wyandotte chickens are a heritage breed that originated in the United States, specifically in the state of New York in the 1870s. Wyandottes are medium-sized birds. They have a round, curvy body and a low-profile rose comb that is less prone to frostbite. They're also known for their soft, fluffy feathers and their gentle, friendly disposition. Wyandottes come in a variety of colors, and they're hardy and adaptable, and they do well in a variety of climates. Number 9 are Morans. Morans are a breed of chicken that is known for its dark brown eggs. They're friendly, they're good layers, and they do well in most climates. They come in a variety of colors, including black, blue, and copper, and they have very distinctive feather patterns. Morans are generally docile and friendly and good foragers. They are a great choice for those who are looking for a low-maintenance bird with the added bonus of unique dark brown eggs. Number 10 is the Bantam. Bantam chickens are a group of smaller-sized chicken breeds that are generally smaller when compared to other standard breeds. They're popular among backyard chicken keepers because of their small size, which makes them easier to handle and keep in smaller spaces. Bantams also come in a variety of colors and feather patterns, making them an attractive addition to backyard flocks. Although they are smaller in size, they're still good layers and can produce a fair number of eggs. Bantams are docile and friendly and good with children. They're also good foragers. Overall, Bantams are a friendly, attractive, and productive breed that is well suited for backyard flocks, especially for those who have limited space and are looking for smaller birds. And my bonus breed of the day is not really a breed, but they are called Easter eggers. And they're usually very friendly, docile, and in my experience, maybe a little bit ditzy. But you know, what chicken isn't a little ditzy? Easter eggers are the mutts of the chicken world. They're not a true recognized breed, as I said, but they're more of a crossbreeds between other established breeds. And they're called Easter eggers because of the colorful eggs that they lay. True to their name, they can lay a rainbow of eggs. Most common you'll get are green and blues, but the hens can also put down pinks, tans, purplish. They're outfitted with fluffy cheeks called muffs or feathery little neck beards, and I think these birds are absolutely adorable. They come in a wide variety of colors, including brown, orange, black, blonde, white, and blue. The Easter eggers I have are my favorite, as they have the most diverse personalities in my flock. You can't go wrong with Easter eggers. So there you have it. Those are my top 10 breeds for backyard chickens. And whether you're looking for a friendly and docile flock or high egg production, I think these breeds are sure to meet your needs. Let me know what I missed or got right. Thank you for watching today, and be sure to subscribe for more great content. Cheers, everybody. I'm out. Before we take off today, here's a reminder to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It helps small-time content creators like myself in so many ways. Support my sponsors by visiting the links in the description. I've included links to any products mentioned or used. My artwork and other creative projects are available at robbshop.com. That is ROBBSHOPP.com. And remember, friends, there are no ordinary days. Make this one outstanding. Do something excellent for yourself and for someone else. I am out.